I haven't played this in forever.
I know.
Right.
Only Rainbow wasn't such a little bitch.
If only.
Oh, they changed the loading icon.
It's been like that for a while.
Well, we haven't played for a very long time, so.
Well, they changed that when Secrets of the Storm dropped.
Jordan, have you played Secrets of the Storm?
I don't think so.
What?
Hmm.
It's like 2 years old.
No, it is not. I refuse to believe that Secrets of... Oh, I just unlocked a lot of shit for some reason.
It's not 2 years old. It's only a year old.
Why am I unlocking so much stuff?
Did you
I
make the
think they
fucking lobby yet?
Bro,
I'm making it.
calm your tits.
It is created.
I think they redid, achievements. So maybe that's why you got a bunch of achievements.
Oh, maybe.
You have crossplay disabled.
He does. So disable
I?
it. Yes, you do.
And it
because
requires a
causes
restart.
issues.
Okay.
Then do
I don't know
it.
why it is.
Oh, bruh, because it was causing issues. Remember? Bruh, now you're having both of us restart.
I don't think I have to restart. I gotta find crossplay
Oh.
though.
Okay, I'm remaking the game then. So
Okay, Jordan, don't restart. Keep your crossplay on. I presume Blake and I turned ours on.
I didn't change mine at all. Whatever mine was set to is what it's still set to.
Bruh.
What do you think, Jordan? Should I start the Smirnoff?
Huh?
Should I start the Smirnoff?
I mean, if you're gonna start drinking, I'll start drinking.
God damn it, now I gotta go back and disable my crossplay. Which means, yes, Jordan, you have to disable it as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some water.
I gotta find it.
It's literally the first option when you go to options. Or settings.
Oh.
It's a toggle thing.
Yeah, I got my water. I'm also gonna run to the bathroom quick.
Yeah, I need to get water too.
How late are you working? Oh, nice.
Sweaty.
Huh?
I think we're all ready for like.
I'm back. Oh, my music's so
Stuff,
loud.
you guys. Yeah, I know. It reset all the settings, I think.
I'm gonna change it when we get into the game.
Oi.
Okay. I'll start my Smirnoff.
You already
Cool.
took my first shot.
Oh, okay.
Hold on.
How the fuck do you open
Charlie,
this
I
thing?
don't think 15 minutes from now is 5 o'clock your time.
That's when the store closes in 15 minutes. That doesn't mean he leaves in immediately when they close.
Oh, okay, fair. I see.
How the fuck do you open this thing?
Carefully.
I haven't had Smirnoff since I was since like New Year's Eve 2023.
Oh God. That year.
You weren't even here.
No, I wasn't, but I heard about it.
It was the first time I ever drank.
Yes.
Yeah, Charlie and Colin had babies, did you?
What? No, that's not that.
Not that.
That was not. That wasn't even New Year's. That was 4th of July last year.
Ah. Oh well.
Since New Year's 2023 when we were playing Among Us, right?
Yes. I think that's one of my first ever VODs on the Vault channel. I'm trying to get my Smirnoff open.
It's probably a twist open, bro.
It's not. It's like taped
Then what
down.
is it?
What if you got like something sharp
I feel like an idiot. Oh,
and
just
cut
gonna-
the tape?
You are.
Ow.
My next shot is ready whenever.
Most intense lobby music ever.
My lobby music is more intense, inclusive of my own.
Okay, I got it.
Did you get it?
That's what I just fucking said.
Did you got it?
I haven't had this in forever.
You know what I haven't realized? What I just now realized is how racist the song "Bomb Iran" is.
What?
So one of the lines is "Went to a mosque, gonna throw some rocks."
Mhm.
Yeah, it's bad. Gonna turn
With a
Iran
name
into a
like
parking
Bomb
lot.
Iran, one would think.
Well, that was back. This song was back during Desert Storm.
Okay.
Ugh. It tastes like fucking Dayquil. Now I remember why I haven't had this since then. This tastes like shit. Whatever. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
I started it. Are you done?
Oh, it didn't start for me. What should I play?
Rain Silver Monsoon, what do you guys think?
It don't matter.
Oh.
Whichever. There's 2 new characters. I need to get those characters.
But hey, you definitely have to play Seeker of the Storm, have you?
Yeah.
There's actually 3 new characters, because Seeker is one of them, but you should have Seeker unlocked by default.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's this one, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't have the.
Oh
Pure
yeah, they
Brand Freedom
reworked Chef,
one,
didn't they?
or
Yes,
Order
I
Up.
did.
I'm still gonna go with Bandit. Actually, what do you think? Bandit or Railgunner? What do you guys think? Would you rather have someone more active on the field or someone who, like, is a sport?
Either it don't matter.
Yeah, it don't matter.
I'll go Bandit then.
I guess I'll play Seeker.
That's the
Do you-
one that can like revive you and shit, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why.
Do you have,
Are you gonna run artifact? No.
No.
We're going full. Okay.
I'm ready to.
Are you asking me a question?
Huh?
Were you asking me a question?
I was not. Oh, actually, yes, I was.
Okay.
Do you have False Sun unlocked? I forget.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
I
Who's
believe
not
I
ready?
have to unlock it on me. It's me. I'm still
I'm
trying
ready.
to decide.
Just pick one.
Just pick someone. Seeker.
I have like 3 different characters that I can play decently. So like.
I can play
yeah,
basically
Seeker.
everyone at this point.
Oh, this is a new
Can
map.
Yeah. New stage 1.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I gotta turn down my sound. It's really loud.
I need to get used to having control as my sprint button again.
There's already a void egg here. Oh yeah.
No.
Void Cradle.
Fuck me.
What does this green thing do?
Huh? Oh, did you find the shrine? I think you found the new shrine. The Halionite shrine.
This thing.
Yeah, no, not it's the Halcyon shrine, not the Halionite. Halionite's the enemy.
Ow, fall damage hurts.
So there's a new boss. There's a new final boss in Seekers of the Storms. So you know how Survivors of the Void has the Void Crab as their final boss?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a new. So this shrine unlocks the new path to get to the new boss. So we should do it.
Do we want to take Jordan? Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So how this works, Jordan, is we have to stand in here and it will absorb gold from us.
I guess I should head over there, shouldn't I?
But the more gold we give it, the better items we'll get out of it. Like the more,
Which
like
is
the
why things spawn on us.
Yeah. And once we feel like we've given it enough gold, or we've given it the maximum amount of gold, we can activate the shrine once more and spawn a boss that when defeated will give us a portal out of here.
Oh, I need to get out of there.
Ow. I'm getting wrecked. Well, I'm gonna go find some items, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think we
have
you
should
nothing.
probably should have done that. You know.
Oh, I fucking love this song, dude.
Oh,
This
I
is one of-
can't hear over all the explosions.
This is
I
one of the
turned
new
the music
songs.
down. So I feel that I have. Oh, okay, Jordan is here.
Feel like what?
I feel like I've been abandoned to fight the battle you guys started.
I literally haven't even fucking left. I've been here the whole time.
Oh, okay. Okay, I can't. I literally cannot tell because I thought you said, oh, I should get some items, so I just imagined that you started getting items.
Just before we take the portal out of here, we need the items to get out.
All right, Jordan, stay near me.
Oh yeah,
There
this
you
is the
go,
boss.
heals. Oh,
I'm 11 HP.
I'm kind of
yeah. So
I'm kind of wishing I went Railgunner.
well, here, Jordan, fuck off to the side and I'll heal you.
Oh,
I'm dead.
Or not.
don't worry, you can revive.
Alright. Yeah, let me work on that.
How many transcendence do you need? 7?
Yeah, I'm almost there, so I just need to wait for the cooldown. Ow! Alright,
Hello,
there you go,
Rainbow.
Jordan.
Oh, I'm
Hello,
back.
Rainbow. Yes,
We're
you
playing Risk of Rain. Down. Okay. Let's go item hunting. Oh yeah, we each get one of these. And depending on how much gold we give it, we get better stuff.
Oh, we get all of these?
Or more.
Oh.
But you pick some.
Oh, we get 3. Okay.
You get
Yeah, one.
you get more or less. You get more or less depending on how much gold you pick in, and the quality of the items go up depending on how much you put in. Okay, I'm gonna go item hunting. I don't want just these 3. Oh, I did get a boomerang. Pretty nice.
Steak printer if we want to get Jordan on the route for chef.
Oh,
For big boy.
No, not big boy, but chef.
so
You
chef,
need-
so one of the characters is chef, and to unlock chef, you need 3 specific items, and the steak is one of them.
Okay.
I think it's the steak,
Yeah,
slug,
Oh, I
and
lost one of my good items for it. Come on.
it's a steak, slug, and infusion, isn't it?
Yeah. I want to get Spanish.
Bruh. Give me something. Thank you.
You said snake, slug, and infusion?
Steak, slug, and infusion. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so
You just
bison
need one of the
steak,
3.
cautious slug.
Well,
and
you need
then-
one of all 3 of those.
Yeah.
At least one of all 3, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need at least one of all 3 by stage 2.
Oh.
Or
Well,
you
at least,
can
at
get
least by
some-
the end. At least by the end of stage 2.
Yeah.
Because you unlock chef on stage 2, and you just have to give him those 3 items.
Stun grenade. I think that'll work. There's a you already
medkit.
you already got a bison steak, didn't you, Jordan?
Yeah, I used the printer. I lost one of my
Alright.
good
You
items
can have
for
it. Sorry.
Okay. Oh yeah, and we can also do the teleport boss for an extra item and just not go through the teleporter.
Oh, we could do that, but if we do that, the enemies will stop spawning.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So maybe at the very end when we're done. moving.
Yeah. I'm down for that.
I need to get better at my quick time events.
I found the teleporter.
Cautious slug. Do you already have that, Jordan?
Oh no, he needs
No.
that.
All right, I'll buy it for you. It is there.
So he just needs an infusion now.
Years. And I think infusion is a pretty common green item.
It's.
Question mark?
I mean, it's a green item.
Go.
This guitar riff is crazy. I think we've looted a good bit.
I'm still finding a couple more stuff. Yeah, like there's a terminal over by where you are, Blake.
Mhm. Okay.
Ooh, thank you, Jordan.
Jordan when he's epic.
Jordan will
You know,
learn
I-
in time to hate the
I
children.
try.
Oh, I got a foreign fruit. Nice.
Oh, nice. What is foreign fruit?
It just heals you.
Oh, okay.
I think that's all the chests.
Yeah, I'm willing to do Telly if you guys are. Just for the items.
Okay.
We have 3 mountain
Telly.
shrines. Well, 2 mountain shrines activated. So, we'll each
Bruh.
get 3
Okay.
items out of it.
All right.
Hey,
Alright, let
maybe,
me
it's,
know when you guys are
maybe it's
ready.
an infusion. A bunch of infusions.
I'm on my way up.
I'm ready whenever.
I'm here.
I'm here as well. Just be ready for 3 bosses. Titans.
suck ass at fucking rejuvenation, man.
Okay, one down.
Alright, me and Jordan are taking care of the other.
Two down.
But help is always appreciated.
Yeah, I got you. One more. What do we got?
Alright, I'm backing
Ooh,
away.
shurikens.
Titanic Neural. I'll
So how
take
many do we
the
get?
Titanic.
We get-
Everyone gets 2 greens and 1 yellow.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, make sure that we don't go through the
Regular portal.
regular portal. We gotta go
I
through
mean,
the
we
green
could
portal down here.
probably just leave the portal charging.
Yeah, we can. We can go. You guys want to go through the green portal right now down here?
I mean, yeah, we've
Does it
already
do
got
anything?
the items from it.
Yeah. it
Well, we
takes-
need to go through the green item to get the...
Yeah, we need to go through the green portal to be
Round.
on the Seeker's path, the Seekers of the Storm path.
Okay.
And we got that from defeating the Halcyon Shrine.
Here. So, go through it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright. I wonder if this will break the game going through with the teleporter charging.
It won't.
It does, and we all just crash.
Yeah.
Okay, so this
Right,
is always
So I need an infusion.
so this is
Yeah.
always stage 2 of the False Sun path.
Yes.
Oh, hey, we got another Halcyon Shrine. That means we can go to Arlenite
Oh, cool.
because you need
Get him that character.
and
as
then
well.
then we can get him False Sun as well.
What is this?
I don't know, it didn't highlight properly.
Shrine of Shaping.
Don't do that. That will reformat all of your items. So basically,
Yeah.
it'll turn all of your white items into a single white item, all of your green items into a single one, and all your red ones into a single one.
Oh, that's not good.
So I wouldn't do it. It's usually not too worth it.
Yeah, plus you still need to get the...
Yeah, and you still need your items. So
Okay, I need better damage.
Warped Echo?
Oh yeah, that splits
Okay.
damage. That's good. Oh, Jordan.
Oh,
went
Jordan
so-
had a sale star and he didn't know.
Oh, I knew that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Jordan.
Yeah,
so
normally-
when you get your items, you go over here.
Huh? Go over where?
I marked it.
Okay.
Into that little tunnel in there, and then you'll give the items to Chef, and you'll unlock them.
Needs to cook a good meal.
He will cook up a good meal for you.
Well, first things first, I need the actual fucking items.
Yeah, you just need an
Yeah.
infusion.
Hey, there's a big chest here. Or no, it's just a regular chest.
I marked a big chest, but I don't have the money for it right now.
Oh. Oh, that's interesting. The scanner has different
Yeah, I noticed that.
Big
This-
chest icon
Big chests,
is bigger.
big chests have a new icon when pinging. They used to just be the same. Oh, I have enough for it now. Nope.
I really wish
I was
they
hoping it was being
differentiate
infusion.
between chests and printers, but you know, can't have everything.
Unstable transmitter. So when Seekers came out, this item was shit, but then they buffed it to be like the best green item in the game, and then they nerfed it again.
And then yeah.
Like they buffed the shit out of it. Like you became nigh unkillable with just one. You can unlock Chef easier if you have a command on, of course.
Of course, yeah.
So if you don't end up getting infusion, you can just play on your own time and go on the false sun path and just use artifact command.
Yeah, I could.
There's still some big chests around though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to
God, I
open up chests.
fucking
again.
love the Seekers of the Storm soundtrack, dude. It's so good.
Thank you, Blake.
You're welcome.
Yeah, there's some chests up here, Jordan. For you to test your look. Jordan?
Up where?
Oh, where you just were on the foot.
Underwear.
There's one there and one right here. I don't have money. I have money for this one.
Hold on, I'll be right back. I feel like it's hot in here.
Aw, damn!
That's unfortunate.
Unfortunate, yeah.
It feels really hot in here for some reason. I don't know.
You warming up from the alchemy shawl?
Hold on. Ugh.
What is this? Oh, that's where you get chef. Okay.
Yes.
Ow, don't hit me.
No one help.
Do you have another radar?
8 seconds.
Oh. Maybe the teleporter will give us an infusion.
Yeah.
Can't count it out yet.
Maybe if we're lucky.
Are there any mountain shrines we could hit?
Mountain Shrine's not going to affect the chance of it being an infusion.
Yeah, but it'll give us more items.
Yeah. Where is the teleporter?
Oh, it's over here.
Teleporter's down somewhere there. Oh, I think I just heard thunder rumble. Yeah, I think the only things that are left now are blinkers.
Oh. Okay. Well, in that case,
Are we gonna do the Halcyon Shrine or no?
yeah, we should. It's here
Yes.
because so the Halcyon Shrine, when we're already on the false sun path, it will take us to Arlenite.
Okay, so we do the Halcyonite and the teleporter. It gives us a better chance of getting the
Yes.
infusion.
So,
Okay.
Yes.
so we'll do the Halcyon Shrine because you actually need. So you know the seed that you get from Arlenite that will spawn him or spawn her.
No.
You know Arlenite, don't you? The boss you fight
Gold.
through the Gold Shrine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So doing the Halcyon Shrine again when we're already on the path will spawn a gold portal.
And then we can
And
go
you need
get
you need the Halcyon seed that you get from Arlenite to unlock the other character.
Okay.
So are we doing Halcyon first or Teleporter?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay.
Should I start it?
I mean, you
The
can.
Halcyon?
I'm-
Go for it.
Oh, we might get an infusion out of it. We'll see.
Oh yeah, that's right. Let's pour in a lot of money to
Yeah,
it.
pour in a lot of money into it.
Alright, there goes that guy. Fucking obliterated. Oh, yo, I got a new seeker item.
Nice.
Third slot.
Alright. Let's full up.
Is it?
And
You're welcome.
there's our core portal.
No infusion.
I'll check this one.
I think they all have different items.
Yeah.
So I'll check to see if mine
I don't,
does and if mine
I don't have an
does
infusion in
something
this
for
one.
you. Well, let me get to a place where I can.
Here, I'll look at it. Oh no, no infusion. There's 3 greens in there though.
Okay, well, I would really love to get my items, however.
Yeah, they're just kind
I
of
really
bullying
need
you.
some damage.
Alright, you guys ready to do telly then?
Yeah.
Once Sawyer gets ready. I'll get my ass over there.
Just remember that we have to go through this gold portal at the end of the stage.
Yep.
Okay, I'm on my way to the regular teleport.
Am I blind or did I forget where the fucking teleporter was?
You forgot where it was.
Oh.
Damn it, hold on. I got bit by a mosquito, so give me a second.
You getting eaten alive?
Yeah, in my own room. And now I'm getting bolt. Now things have spawned on me.
I got you.
Thank you, Blake.
Ready? Whenever Star's ready.
I'm ready. Whenever.
Okay. Hey,
More
Marshall.
Titans? Okay. I think it's just one.
Seems like it, yeah.
Cool.
Oh no, there were 2 in there actually. They were stacked on top of each other. Oh, I thought
That's
that.
such a fucking debate.
Wow.
Well, sorry, dude. You're gonna have to unlock him on your own time.
Yeah, I'll just do the.
I mean, he's
fucking article.
easy. He's literally easy. You just use artifact command and then. Yeah.
All right, fuck this battle.
Are you just dipping for the gold try?
Yeah, essentially.
Okay.
I do want to check, make sure it is still those 3 items first. Oh, it looks like they added color to it.
They did
Probably
what?
to make it easier to see. Color to the
Alright, I'm gonna go
indicators.
into the portal.
Okay.
Alright, have fun.
At least I think I'm gonna go into the portal.
Did you not do it?
No, I did.
There we
It's
go.
just taking forever, man.
Alright.
Oh, fucking.
Oh, I remember this
child.
shit.
You gotta activate all the shrines.
I'm killing children.
Okay.
Damn, that was fast. We gotta
Well,
get the
we
other
have-
ones before we fight him, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or-
before we
yeah,
were
she's
able to.
she's invincible until we get all the things activated.
Yeah. There's one over there.
That's the last one.
Oh, yeah. Come on, R.
R.
My fucking rejuvenate wasn't working. I was trying to do it, but it just didn't.
Oh, I thought you were fucking baby talking early at night.
Oh no, I do not do that. At least not yet. Ah!
Make sure Jordan gets one of these seeds. Right here. Sweet. And Starry get the other one.
Oh, I mean, okay. All right.
This is for the other character, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So now we go through the green portal
Yeah, green.
to get back on the false sun path.
Yeah.
After the stage, I'm gonna take a shot.
Okay. To make false sun more interesting, or
Whoa. Yeah.
okay. Oh, there's a scrapper,
Nice.
and there's a lunar cleansing pod.
Oh, wait, where?
I have
Oh.
marked it.
I see. Awesome.
I've always wanted
Those
to
are
use
rare.
a lunar cleansing pod.
Those are
but
rare as
yeah.
hell. They're really good though.
If you have lunar items.
Yeah, because they'll give you pearls, and pearls are fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Pearls are just straight ass buffs to you.
You're
And
Sounds silly.
they cannot be taken from you ever. Not even by Mythrix.
oh,
There's another one!
yo.
There's another cleansing pod.
I'm dropping frames. I gotta change my video settings.
Why did I open this? Am I dumb? I think I have brain damage or something. Okay.
Where's that lunar cleansing? But does it take your green items?
No, it takes you lunar
No,
items and
it's-
gives you a pearl.
Yeah, I want that. Where's that at?
Do you have a lunar item? Oh, you do.
Yes.
There's one over here. Also, Starry marked the other one. I marked it. Oh.
Oh, you can access logbooks on the game now.
You always could.
Could you?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, pearls are good. They're just straight buffs.
That's good, because the lunar item I got was shit.
Yeah.
It replaced one of my major fucking I need this to move around the map.
Yeah.
Oh. Imagine doing that with egocentrism.
Ignore the guitar going off right now, by the way.
Thank you, I will. Oh, cool, there's a lunar item here. I want it.
You want it so you can get a pearl?
Yeah.
Hey, that's exactly what Jordan just got rid of.
Huh. So I've never gotten a pearl before.
I think there's a 10% chance you can get an Irradiant Pearl, which is a pearl, but even better.
Yeah. I know about the Irradiant Pearl.
I fucking love this game, holy shit.
Why?
Because I used a shop and the item just jumped off the map.
Oh my god, I did that with the red item on this map, too. Fucking sucks. Graphics, texture resolution. There we go. I have
Scare the fuck out of me, Blake.
So for this, if I remember correctly, we just do the regular teleporter for this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't hate any of my items.
I don't think Jordan needs any more items either.
I said I don't hate any of my items.
Oh, okay.
As that a scrapper.
Oh, there's a third lunar cleansing pod.
That's the one I marked.
Oh, okay. Jordan, did you just never use, or can they
What?
be used multiple times?
They be used multiple
I
times.
don't know what you're talking about.
They can absolutely be used multiple
Okay.
times. Does anyone want an egg?
I have a shift ability that's essentially the exact same thing, so no.
I sure as hell don't want it.
There aren't any good, like, printers on this map either.
Yeah.
What are these blue things that I keep seeing pop up?
Oh, that's my, so I have antlers, as you can see. Or do you have antlers too? Oh, you have antlers too. So, yeah, the antlers, they'll spawn orbs around you that if you collect them, will make you move faster for a short time.
Oh.
Yeah.
They're a white item. Okay, well, that's scrappable.
Is there another Halcyon Shrine on this map or no?
No. Halcyon
No.
Shrines, aren't guaranteed to spawn.
Okay.
Oh. It's the stupid scrapper. I'm not using this one. I'm just asking for disaster with that.
Scrap her right off to the edge of the map.
Yeah.
Well, hello there, Jordan. Fancy seeing you here.
I'm ready if you guys are.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Ooh, razor wire. Nice. Ow.
Grove Tender. Oh, that's Arleonite that I'm attacking.
Bro tends the groves.
Apparently. Ow. 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 Oh, what the fuck? There's an ink blob. Oh, fuck.
Oh, there's two of them.
Yes,
Was there?
there was.
There were.
Their pronouns are now was, were.
Well, I got mine.
Where are these? Okay.
Wait before we go in the teleporter.
Okay.
I'm gonna go scrap this ring item that we just got. Ooh, disposable missile launcher. Does anyone want it?
No, you can have it.
Actually, I'd rather have the healing, I think. That's a hard choice, though. Okay.
Ow.
I'm gonna go scrap this and take a shot.
Okay.
I just fell.
Nah.
Okay.
Oh, there's
I'm gonna pour
Alright,
myself another shot.
You good?
You joining me, Jordan?
Yeah, I'll join you.
Really regretting the Smirnoff.
the schmoff.
The Schmoff. Pink Whitney
Maybe
tastes
you
so
should
much
mix
better.
it with something.
Why? That's just more to drink.
It dilutes it.
Yeah, but it's more to drink.
What'd you say? Sorry?
I said mix it with something else.
Oh, I mean, yeah, you could do that, but it's not the best if you're just trying to get fucked up.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm good. You good, Blake?
That actually went down better this time.
You want me to go through?
Go for it. That went down a lot better than the first time. The first shot actually just tasted like ass.
Alright, now there are pillars everywhere. If we hit them, if we hit all of them, we get extra items.
Yes.
So,
Our
that's
goal
what
is
I'm
just to
gonna
get to
be
the top.
focusing
Oh,
Yeah.
I remember this.
on. How if you've never played it before?
We played it like right when it came out.
Oh yeah, back when it was shit. Because it had a really rough launch.
Yeah. But they worked through it, and then here we are.
Yeah, and here we are. I think like the final update for it, like major update for it came out.
Yes.
Ow. I remember being curious
Ow.
about what the blue streaks in the health was. It's because you get hit by this and it affects your healing.
Yes.
Oops.
Oh, oh my god.
Well, there goes my transmitter. Unlucky.
All the things gotten?
I think so.
Alright, I'm heading up then.
I don't see any more.
And then I'll start grinding. Rejuvenates. Yeah, we got it.
Oh my god, it's a fucking wandering vagrant.
I just ignore all the enemies,
Yes.
man. You're just gonna die
Yeah,
down
just
there.
run past them. Just fucking dodge and weave, my man.
I'm
Dodge
claiming my
and weave.
reward. Frost Relic! Oh my god. That's huge. I'm taking that. Give me that shit. I love Frost Relic on Bandit. Frost Relic on Bandit's awesome. Oh, and a dagger over here. You get, if you trade in a red, you can get 5, shields. Or 5, armor plates. Getting the Frost Relic, too.
There's an Aegis.
Yeah.
I think
It's
Aegis.
good.
I think, in my opinion, Aegis is the worst red item in the game.
Oh, really?
That's the shield, right?
I think so. That's the healing. It doubles your healing.
Symbiotic. What
Now
does
what? How the fuck do we
Scorpion
get up?
do again?
That
Oh,
permanently
okay.
reduces armor for on hit.
Oh, okay. Whatever. I don't care. How do we get up? We go.
We go up.
There's a staircase over here.
Dude.
And then there's a bounce pad. Yeah.
Oh.
Well,
Okay, sure.
I couldn't fucking do my rejuvenate then. Hell.
My
you still
fault.
you still have you still have a revive rejuvenate, right?
No, I never got it.
Oh. Well, you can still use it, can't you?
Yeah, I can still use it.
Ow.
I'll just have to grind for it.
Ow.
Ow.
Moving pest.
Remember to hit the shrines.
Yeah. Oh, I think for when our abilities get disabled, we just have to like live with it and survive until we. I don't think you can disable it by getting rid of it.
Oh yeah, this is the rework fight. I haven't played the rework fight yet.
Yes.
This is my first time doing it.
The tornadoes are moving, which I think is different.
That definitely is different. I was thinking this feels a little different.
There's dots. There's orbs everywhere. Oh no. Jordan, if you want to fall back, I can. Ah, shit, he's following you. Well, I'll work on it.
Good job, Jordan. Jordan was
How was I
wrecked.
supposed to know?
I'm back.
My shit was
There
on
you go.
fucking cooldown. I can't do anything about that.
You're back.
You're back.
You're
Ow.
so back. Yeah, hitting the geode gives barrier, I believe.
Oh.
Alright guys, I learned from experience. Arlenite.
I think a second stage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you say, sorry?
I learned from experience. Arlenite will not help us. What the fuck? Oh, this is the guys hide. Ow! Hide from
Oh!
Oh no, I used my item, I swear! Whatever.
Fuck, man. Guys.
Oh, it's just me.
No.
Sorry.
But I was focusing
Oh!
on.
Wait,
Oh.
you can revive more than once?
I think. Yeah, I think that's something they added for.
Is this once per
Secret.
character?
I don't
once,
know.
once per player, I mean.
Well,
I
I've
don't
already been
know,
revived
maybe.
once.
Actually, I think so. Yeah. So Blake. Ah, shit. Oh, does this work? Ah! You can hide behind the crystals. Ah, fuck. The crystals break.
Or the guy shot me.
Fuck.
Oh, hi,
Okay.
Fall Son. What's up? Ow.
Okay. Okay.
I think he's stuck. Oh, never mind, he's not stuck anymore. What?
Fuck.
What's that? What is happening?
It's the beam. Hide.
Oh!
Yeah, I think you get one revive each, and obviously Jordan's already used his. You've already used yours.
Hey, my character is a close quarters fighter. I deal as much damage as I possibly can, and then I die, so.
Okay.
Oh, Blake. Oh, Blake.
Alright, hide. Fuck me, man. Okay.
Oh, is it up to me now?
Fuck! Okay, no, I get a revive as well.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Blake, I'll try to take. No, fuck. Alright, guys.
I saw him go, whoa, boom on my ass. So, Jordan, in order to unlock the final character, you need to use the seed that you get from Arlenite and then deposit it into the thing when you beat the boss, this boss.
Oh, so Starry has to beat the boss, but because I died, it doesn't matter.
I don't think so. But basically, you would drop that seed into the offering that it lets you do.
I believe in you, Starry.
Thanks.
Go, Starry. This is a much cooler fight than what it used to be. Oh, you got sniped.
Damn.
You got sniped hard.
I know.
Well,
Damn. GG.
GG's.
Man. Why'd y'all have to die?
What do you mean?
Charge a piercing
Me
spectral
and Blake
hammer.
are high damage, low health. Okay,
Exactly.
Sorry.
Oh. Fuck.
Okay,
Hmm.
so that's enough of that.
Yeah, I'm done. Don't risk.
Hmm.